What is good, everybody? Hey, look, I'm not the biggest fan of a convertible 3 or 4. My bad, 4. Hey, that would be kind of cool with a 3, but whatever. But we're just gonna watch it, and we're gonna get into fair use because this is you using this for entertainment purposes and educational. And we know they like to copyright, especially this channel. I don't know why. It's not like people use their whole content, but whatever. We'll use the clips.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AUTTOPNL. My name is Max, and today we are taking a look.
Alright, let me skip some. One part I hate is this has got to be the worst part of any convertible that is soft top.
This saves 80% compared to the last metal folding roof. This is also much prettier, and I have to say I do really like the look of this car. But
it looks like a mini M8, but I did not know. That top is just, it's cool, but it's not.
With the roof down and with.
Alright. We know what type of engine it is. We know all this.
Seconds it takes for the roof to go down.
This is the world's first reusable cotton swab. It removes up to 5 times more excess wax.
There it goes. A little bit of a squeak. That's quite nice, and you can do this driving up to like 50 kilometers an hour as well. But I have to say, I like it. I think.
Yeah, when the top is down, now that looks hard. Shit, I might, I probably would get one just because it's a little different. I mean, that's why it is weird because it's like, but it's nice.
I think it looks cool. I mean, so much better than the previous one, which just looked weird, if you ask me.
Yeah, that's true.
Especially with the roof up, but also with the roof down.
Alright, let's get to the driving.
The M4 competition convertible, what is it like? Well, it is a lot like driving a regular M4, which is good news. Do you feel the weight? Yes, you do, sometimes, when you least expect it. Because it's not when you try to hustle it down the corner, it is when you accelerate. Of course, you would expect that as well. I was making a jokey joke. So,
let's give it a little more. We know it's gonna drive like a normal. We know it's gonna drive like a normal.
Launch control activated. There we go.
And that just gets to 80.
3.7 seconds according to BMW. It's a bit faster according to us. We've been able to do 3.46, which is a lot quicker than advertised.
Like it would be like would you choose between a convertible Mustang GT? I mean, I would never get that. I would say I had a Shelby GT500 convertible, but I don't know if they do whatever. Or like an M4, convertible. That's it is weird looking, like the last one they said, but this one is hard. I'm not gonna lie. I would be able to like get it just because, but even though I hate a soft top, but.
Because it's supposed to do 3.7, which is 0.2 slower than the regular one, the non-convertible, the coupe, which does 3.5, but this does 3.46, so yeah, classic BMW.
It's smooth. It's definitely cool. Like I said, it's not a surprise. We just needed to see, hey, what what makes it so cool. Now we know. So, hey, thank you for watching.